We're going to be doing a quick video on how to remove a wiper blade and replace it. We're going to go ahead and start getting our wiper blade. All wiper blades have a release tab. We're going to go ahead and grab that tab, push it up, and with some force, push it down. Once our blade is removed, we have to keep in mind that that is a spring-loaded projectile that could at any moment go against our windshield. So I like to put something down or to make sure I'm working around it. Now that I have my new windshield wiper, I'm going to remove the cap. I'm going to go ahead and align it and push up here to that click, making sure it's still there. And then with our cap, we're going to go ahead and align it with the tabs that are around it and go ahead and clamp that down. That way we have 2 points of contact secured. We put that down. Keep in mind all blades have a plastic cover. It is very important you remove this plastic part on your blade, because if you don't, you will be using your windshield wipers and no water will be coming off. It happens more common than you think, but we are good to go.